In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sketched border in Excel. This is a quick way to give any picture in your worksheet a hand-drawn, casual look that stands out in reports, dashboards, or handouts. Start by opening your worksheet and clicking the picture you want to style. You'll know it's selected when you see small handles around the image and the Picture Format tab appears at the top of Excel. If you don't see that tab, make sure you clicked the picture itself, not an empty cell or a chart nearby. A single, clean click usually does it. With the picture selected, go to the Picture Format tab on the ribbon and find the Picture Border button. It's typically near Options for corrections, artistic effects, and picture styles. Click Picture Border to open its menu. This is your hub for outline settings, and it's where the sketched effect lives. Keep your cursor steady over the menu so it stays open while you explore the options. Inside the Picture Border menu, look for the Sketched section. When you hover over Sketched, Excel shows you a few hand-drawn line styles, such as curved or scribbled looks. Choose the design that best matches the vibe you're going for. Something subtle for a professional report, or a looser stroke if you want a more playful feel. As soon as you click a style, Excel applies that sketched treatment to the border of your selected picture. If the change seems faint at first, don't worry. Excel applies the effect to whatever border settings the picture already has. That means the existing color and thickness are preserved, and the line itself becomes sketched. Zooming in to 120% or 130% can make it easier to see the texture as you compare styles. You can always press Undo if a choice doesn't look right and try another sketched option until it fits. A couple of quick pointers for consistency. Apply the same sketched style to all related images in a sheet so the design feels intentional, and preview your worksheet in print or on a projector if you're presenting. Sketched lines can look slightly different on various screens and printers, so it's smart to confirm the look before sharing. And that's all it takes. Select the picture, open Picture Border from the Picture Format tab, then pick a sketched design you like. In just a few clicks, your image has a distinctive hand-drawn outline that adds personality without overwhelming your data. Thanks for watching, and enjoy polishing your Excel visuals with sketched borders.